Unveiling Emotions, the power of pour your heart out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that's close to many people's hearts. Pour your heart out. Understanding this phrase will not only help you become more fluent in English but also enable you to express deep emotions and connect with others on a more profound level. So, let's explore what it means to pour your heart out and how you can use it in your conversations. To pour your heart out is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of openly and honestly expressing your deepest emotions. Imagine your heart filled with all kinds of feelings, and you're letting them flow out freely, without holding anything back. This phrase often implies a sense of vulnerability and trust, as it usually occurs in a safe and supportive environment. This phrase is typically used in situations where someone feels the need to share their innermost thoughts, worries, or feelings with another person. It could be during a heartfelt conversation with a close friend, a family member, or even in a therapeutic setting with a counselor. It's a powerful way to communicate that you're sharing something deeply personal and significant. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use pour your heart out in conversation. After the breakup, I called my best friend and poured my heart out. It felt so good to talk about everything. She poured her heart out in the letter, expressing how much she missed him. During the meeting, he poured his heart out about the challenges he's been facing at work. Notice how in each example, the phrase conveys a deep emotional release and the sharing of personal, often painful, feelings. Remember, using phrases like pour your heart out can add emotional depth to your conversations. Practice using this phrase with a trusted friend or family member to become more comfortable expressing your feelings in English. Listening to English songs, watching movies, or reading books can help you see how native speakers use this phrase in various contexts. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of pour your heart out. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a valuable expression to your English vocabulary. Expressing emotions is a fundamental part of human connection, and understanding phrases like this can help bridge gaps and build stronger relationships. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to pour your heart out in your journey to mastering English. See you in the next video.